Hi everyone, you're watching Twin Buds. Today let us make kale potato soup. For this recipe, we will need 1 bunch kale, 1 potato, 1 tomato, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon full of mixed herbs, Italian seasoning containing basil, parsley, oregano, rosemary, thyme and lemon. Roasted garlic half teaspoon, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, roasted almonds, few numbers, spoons fresh cream, 10 grams butter, 500 ml water. Now let us blanch vegetables. First we will cook potatoes separately. We'll pressure cook let's pressure cook potatoes separately by adding some salt until fork tender, and we will blanch kale along with onion and tomato. We can now pressure cook the potatoes. Let's add kale. Let's add chopped kale, chopped onion, and tomatoes, and add the cooked potatoes. Add some salt and water. Add around 400 water and blanch it well. After blanching vegetables, I have separated the water by using a strainer and I have allowed it to cool before grinding it in a blender. Now that the kale is cooled completely, we can now add it to the blender and blend it well into a fine puree. We have mostly filtered out all the contents. We can now turn on the stove and heat it a little bit. Then add the mixed herbs. We are heating it to thicken the soup. Instead of adding cornstarch. After simmering for a few minutes, about 3 minutes, we can now add butter and incorporate it and turn off the stove. Now add some fresh cream, add pepper, add some roasted garlic, add roasted almonds. Kale potato soup is now ready to serve. Thank you for watching.